Hello and welcome to the Hans India Official. Today we unravel one of the most dramatic political fallouts in Telangana's recent history. The suspension of Kalvakuntla Kavita from the Bharat Rashtra Samiti. Once the cultural face of the party, now cast out by its very founder, her father, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So, what do you think about this schism? Was it about ideology, ambition, or betrayal? Let's break it down. So, this tension between KCR and Kavita did not explode overnight. The stress between them emerged over the years after Kavita felt sidelined, especially as her brother KT Ramarao took center stage in the party affairs. While BRS was in power, these differences remained buried. However, ever since the party lost Telangana in the 2023 elections, the internal cracks began to widen and fast. In fact, the turning point in this feud came after 2023 when both the CBI and Enforcement Directorate linked Kavita to the liquor scam. By March 2024, she was arrested, first by the ED and then CBI. Though she remained in jail for 5 long months, but what stung more than the arrest was silence from her own father. During this entire period, her father, KCR, never visited her, not even once. During this tough time, Kavita expected her party to stand by her. But insiders reveal that BSR distances itself not just from her but from several other leaders who were under scrutiny. And when she walked out of jail in August, she wanted to fight back. But KCR reportedly told her to lie low, and she refused it. Defying her father's advice, Kavita hit the ground, running. She threw her weight behind the BC bill, something BRS had yet to even mention. In fact, she demanded a statue of social reformer Jyoti Rao Phule in Telangana Assembly, calling out her party's inaction. And in May 2025, she went a step further as she dropped a political bombshell claiming that despite statehood, Telangana failed to deliver social justice. Many saw this as a direct attack on KCR's legacy as chief minister. So things escalated when a 6-page feedback letter Kavita sent to her father got leaked. 5 out of 6 pages were filled with harsh criticism. She accused KCR of being soft on the BJP, selective in his approach, and not accessible to the cadre. This letter created a political storm in Telangana. And Kavita did not backtrack. She doubled down. And then it got personal. Kavita called her brother KTR a Greek warrior, referencing his polished online politics. She also slammed leaders for being Twitter politicians, a jab clearly aimed at him. She mocked Senior Minister Jagadish Reddy as a Lilliput, saying he lacked vision. And she also criticized her cousins, Harish Rao and Santosh Rao, dragging them into the Kaleshwaram project corruption debate with each press meet. She was not just burning bridges, she was torching them. On September 1st, 2025, Kavita delivered her most scathing attack yet. She said, and I quote, "How does it matter if the party exists or not? The BRS is like a banana peel." And the party leaders had no choice. And within days, Kavita was officially suspended from BRS. No farewell, no meetings, just a press note, cold and final. So, what does this mean for Telangana politics? For now, Kavita stands suspended, cut off from the party she was once a key face of. The big question is, will she launch her own political outfit or will she fade away in an already crowded political landscape? What is certain though is that this episode has reshaped the dynamics within BRS and Telangana politics at large. So this is the Hans India Official. Stay tuned for more political insights and stories that matter. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I am Gyanisha Malik. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.